Alright, so the question is, Alex invests some money for 3 years in a saving account. She gets 4% per annum compound interest, and Alex has 5,680.56 pound at the end of 3 years. Work out how much she invested. So basically, when we have to find out after the rate of interest, we have to find out the future value. The future value they have given you, which is A, right? And we have to find out the principal amount. See, here first let's just see the keywords. So what is this? So this is basically your future amount, right? The future value, right? The future value now after the rate of interest. And how much she invested, this is basically your principal amount. So we have to find out the principal amount. So you know that what's the formula to find out the, what is the formula to find out the compound interest? We are going to apply the formula to find out the compound interest, and through that formula we'll be able to find out the principal amount, that how much she invested. And the formula is A is what we're talking about. A is the future value which we're talking about. A is given to you, and P is the principal amount which we have to find out. 1 plus R over N, and here this is the time period which is 3 years given. So what we need to do is, you can see that we have to find out the principal amount. So what we are just going to substitute the values. The actual amount is given to you, which is 5,680.56 pound. Okay, we have to find out the principal amount, so write down the principal amount as it is. And 1 plus R over N means they're talking about the time period, right? So no, they're talking about the basically the percent, the rate of interest, which is 4% per annum. So it is 4 upon 100, and the time period is given to you, which is 3. So could you please tell me that what is 1 plus 4 upon 100? What is 1 plus 4 over 100? 4 over 100 is 0.04 plus 1 is, yes, tell me.
1.04.
So 1.04 to the power of 3. What we will get when we will take the power? Yes.
1.12.
1.12. So we have to find out the principal amount. 1.12 is multiplying with P. When we will move it to the other side, it will be divided, right? So divide 5680.56 with 1.12. What we will get? Yes.
571.9.
Sorry?
507.9.
507.9.
71.9.
So this is your principal amount which you invested. So this is how you have to, find out that how much she invested. I hope that this is clear to you.